Welcome to this week's Monday Micro Lesson. My name is Erin Wood, and today we're going to be talking about constructing a 30-second pitch. 30-second pitches. I think they are a great tool to use in sales and really in any type of industry or position that you hold. It gives you the ability to have a clear and concise way of describing your company's product or the service that you offer. Now, when it comes to a 30-second pitch, I always like to alleviate the stress. Remember that you're not going to eat the fruit the same day you plant the seed. The 30-second pitch is not meant to close the deal. It's meant to move the conversation forward. However, there are three things that I like to include in my 30-second pitch. Number one is the proof of concept. I want to be able to articulate to my customer some success stories or anything positive with the product or service that I offer. The second item is what makes you or your company unique. You want to make sure that you're threading that into your 30-second pitch. And number three, remember that a problem is going to give your product context. If you can clearly and concisely articulate the problem and how your product can solve for that, that's going to make the conversation go a lot smoother. Now, I highly advise that you have a script. Write out the things in your mind that you want to make sure you're getting across with this 30-second pitch, and then practice, practice, practice. I know that 30 seconds doesn't seem like a long time, but you can absolutely get a lot of information across to a customer in that 30 seconds. Now, if I've forgotten something, or if you have another tip to make 30-second pitches easier to construct, please put those in the comments below.